So here we go. It's gonna be good. This isn't staged at all.
Up, up, and away.
This water bottle, staged.
Okay,
This
yeah.
water bottle, staged. But we're gonna talk about our water bottles.
We're gonna talk about these water bottles.
It's like really good.
Because really, hers is a water bottle. Mine's just a bottle. There's water and stuff in it.
Ew. Okay, let's go to yours.
Alright. First of all, my water bottle is brought to you by Joann's.
It's just Joanne. She's one girl.
I call it Jody's.
I call it Jody's too. Anyway. that's a
Long story
different
short,
But the water bottle isn't what we need to talk about.
what are we talking about?
I don't know if anyone's
Look how
noticed.
green it is.
It looks like poop. You're drinking poop water.
Okay, so I start off the morning with grape amino energy in here.
Ooh, yum.
Okay, so water and amino energy, like
Great.
energy stuff, and it's grape.
Mm.
And then I was in a hurry to come up here
Uh-huh.
to film.
Mm-hmm.
And so I had like maybe an inch of grape in the bottom. Well, I don't want to waste the precious caffeine that was in that inch.
Uh-huh.
So I just filled the rest of my water bottle up, and then I dumped a peach mango
Green tea.
No, it wasn't even the
Oh,
green tea, just the peach
energy
mango energy Crystal Light.
I'm getting sick just looking
And
at
I
it.
have lemons in there because
Okay, I can't look at it. Can you put it back on the shelf?
it's really, really tasty. It looks ugly, but it's tasty.
I also didn't eat breakfast, so my stomach kind of hurts. So.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, tell us about your water bottle.
I got this.
This is also how you lift weights every day, just lifting the
It's kind of
bottle.
like a kettlebell.
Where did you find this?
So I got it for my birthday from Sherry, my
Oh,
mother-in-law.
that's fantastic.
And it gives you times that you should be
It's
drinking. You should be like at this mark here. I'm at 9 a.m. and let me tell you, it's like 10 a.m. So I'm a little behind. Also, I'm not gonna lie, and this might be gross. This is from yesterday. Number one, as we noticed, I only got to 9 a.m. Number two, I didn't want to waste water. So I just left the water in it. Okay, come on, don't lie. People do that all the time. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, people leave
Okay,
water
so
in the water.
I want to know how this
Okay,
works. Like,
I'll turn it to
does
the
it
side.
pop open?
Pops open,
Oh, look at that.
but there's a straw inside.
So you better drink some because you got to meet your 10 a.m. mark.
Well, I'm behind because it's from yesterday. So I need to drink, I need to drink
Okay,
two of these.
I think you better
I need to drink two of these.
decide not to catch up. I think you should just go with this for today.
Yeah.
It's 128 ounces.
That's 2 gallons, right? 64 ounces in a gallon?
Yes.
Someone check that.
Someone mathy.
Someone mathy.
You
Do that.
mathy? All right. Well, and that's all about our water bottles.
Drink water. Brought to you by water. Yep. Ooh, I don't feel good. Maybe that's